Okay, ran the tractor dry while I was mowing grass. No gas left in it. I just filled it up, and I have a feeling I know what's going to happen, but let's see if this has ever happened to anybody. Okay, give it a little choke. Doesn't want to run. Okay, pretty sure it's vapor locked. Take a look here. Because right there's the fuel pump right on the side of the motor. The fuel's actually what keeps it cool. And when it runs dry, it gets super hot. I don't know if you can hear that sizzling. Of course, that's on other parts of the motor. But let's just cool that guy down a little bit because we got fuel in the filter there. It's just once it gets up here, it vaporizes and then it can't pump any gas.